what are we doing?
That's exactly how you start the video. So what are we doing? What we are doing is, we are doing a sound check. So anyway, we are in the Scenic because I thought I'd make a quick 0 to 100 and cheeky 0 to 200 video.
In Mexico, in a closed course.
Yeah, well, stuff like that. It's actually an undisclosed location. So anyway, yeah, that's what we are doing. Found an idiot who's already tailgating me, so he wants the beat down. It's an A8, so I could actually beat us to death, kinda.
It's keeping up.
Yep.
Yeah, he's still an idiot.
There you go, buddy. Your turn. It's an A6.
Now look at that freaking boat. It's a boat.
Yeah. Well, it just excuses
okay.
the wind noise because, well, I have a sunroof and that's that loud. So, whatever. So I decided to do a quick 0 to 100 video and a 0 to 200 because a few people have asked me to do it.
0 to 300.
No, I set 200. I wish. I wish. But no, this car will probably only do 300 if you push it off a cliff. So anyway, I'm going to an undisclosed location to do that and well, we'll see how it goes. As you might know, this car now has a 200 cell sports cat. So I'm actually going to slow down because I don't know where the turn is. And we are close. So it has a 200 cell sports cat. And I think it's slightly less powerful than it was with the Decat. So I don't know. But I also have some ballast with me. Yep.
Yes, sir.
And I also have a full interior, if you can show the guys.
Yes.
All seats in.
These are the seats.
Spare seat, spare wheel, everything in there. So it's a heavy car. So I don't know how it will go. I'm just going to do it, enjoy it, and put a number on the screen for you. So that's what all people care about, seemingly. So yeah, this is our turn. Yeah. So I don't know. I think we'll fix the camera somewhere. We'll do a couple of runs. Yeah, my car has been slightly modified by a friend called Benze, because now it can turn ASR off completely, or actually it turns back at 250, but I'm yet to see that number on the dash, so I don't think it does 250 actually.
I've seen that in the Z.
Should be, yeah, sure, in Mexico.
Yes, exactly.
So anyway, it's effectively turned off completely. Yeah, that was an underpass quick boost, as you do, because that's what people do, and that's what you have to do. It's the law. So yes, I think I might do a 0 to 200. No, I might actually do 100 to 200 first to see, you know, as a warm up, maybe. but it couldn't have been because this road is has a speed limit of 100 and
But
something.
you said we are going to fix the camera. Why should I show it right now?
Yeah. So anyway, the road is empty in front of me, so Ergi will show it, and I will actually do a 100 to 200. I always say 0 to 200.
So I will show it?
Yeah, you can show it. Because we are at a private track now. So
Yeah.
why couldn't you show
Exactly.
it, right?
Yeah, alright.
So yeah, there you go. Slide bump. Let's go. proper 0 to 100. That was it. I have no idea how fast or not fast that is. It's probably not fast, but it's fun. So I think I'm going to try another one. to do this, but it is. So yeah, that's the fun part, where people don't expect it to be doing that kind of stuff and doing flybys at absolutely legal speed, of course.
On closed courses.
Yeah,
Courses.
yeah, sure.
I can't speak. Yeah, great.
So yeah, people requested this video. I hope I managed to satisfy the thirst for speed.
Damn.
But I'm back with the Italian gestures.
Mamma mia!
Epic. So yeah, that was just a little bit of an adventure. Thought I'd just, you know, make a video for you guys of something actually interesting. Me actually driving the Scenic, which is kind of rare nowadays. So yeah, if you have any sort of requests similar to this one,
Let us know.
just tell me in the comments, because I'd like to do some silly stuff in the name of YouTube. Sorry.
And if you subscribe, we can hit 500 subscribers, and we can do polls where
Yeah.
you guys can vote what we should do.
Okay, you can vote on the next silly idea. So
Yes, sir. Alright, so subscribe. I'm waiting. Alright, this is fucking cringe. Bye.
he didn't let me say goodbye. So thank you for watching. If you liked it, then like it.